What's going on YouTube? In today's video, what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys how to get the best Amazon discount codes and promo codes that you guys can use in 2025 and 2026, including the Black Friday coming up in this next week and Cyber Monday. This is going to save you $100 extra at your Amazon checkout. I'm going to show you guys how to do this here today. Do not purchase anything on Amazon until you watch this video. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how to do this right now. It is actually a coupon website, and what I'm gonna do is doing this on an iPhone. You're gonna see my screen recording pop up right now. This works on Android as well, so don't worry, but make sure you are doing this on a mobile phone as it's gonna work, and I'm gonna show you how it works. So come over here and we're gonna go to this website. It is called www.bombcoupons.com. So B-O-M-B and then coupons, C-O-U-P-O-N-S.com. www.bombcoupons.com. Once you guys are here, you're gonna see a list of free game codes and discount codes. What you're gonna do is go to the search up to the top and just type in Amazon, which is gonna show us the Amazon one right here. Okay, and you're gonna see Amazon $100 codes. And as you guys can see, it's gonna say $100 off for the Amazon promo code. Now you can go ahead and redeem this on your next checkout, and it will work with Black Friday discounts and Prime discounts. So what you do is you press on show coupon code, okay, and this is gonna check how many of these codes are actually left. The current time of this video, there's 332. They probably will be adding more, I'm not sure, but they will basically go ahead and add more for you guys. So as you guys can see, this is the coupon code that we're going to go ahead and redeem to get our $100 extra off on our Amazon order. We are going to go ahead and unlock this code, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So this isn't one of those weird ones where you click it, takes you to Amazon, and the code doesn't show. This one will show, and I'm going to show you right now. So it's going to take you to this page. This is completely normal. It's going to say Bomb Coupons. 2 of these need to be completed. These apps sponsor Bomb Coupons, and we could not provide our amazing coupons without them. So essentially what is happening here is you need to complete 2 of these apps from the sponsored apps, and these apps have gone ahead and paid for these Amazon discount codes so you can use them on the shop. And all they want is more users for their app. These apps are completely for free on the Apple Store and Google Play Store. So all you have to do is go ahead and get them. Like as you guys can see, this one here called PureVPN. You just go ahead and get the app. And you just read the instructions and make sure to go ahead and complete whatever they're saying. These apps are completely for free. They're never going to cost you anything, and you're going to get a $100 Amazon discount code and promo code just by simply getting these apps. It's actually insane. So as you guys can see, we've just done the PureVPN one. Okay, so you can do that one. There's also ones like this where it says go ahead and get this app here. This one's a Bible one. If you're religious, this one should be a no-brainer. But if you just want to go ahead and complete it, you can just do that one as well, nice and easy. You can also do, there's always going to be 3 in the list. You only need to do 2. For me, this one, it has this app called YouBiggy. It says go ahead and get YouBiggy and open it up. So remember guys, you might have different apps to me. These sponsored apps change every day. These sponsored apps change every day, and you could have different apps based on me. I've had one where you got to do this app called Travel Town, and you got to like level up in the game. There's ones for Monopoly Go and all these other games. So just whatever ones you do get, guys, just make sure you are going ahead, reading the instructions on these, completing the sponsored content, and once you've completed that, you're going to go ahead and actually get the Amazon promo code and discount code. So as you guys can see, you go ahead and finish these apps. This PureVPN one wanted us to go ahead and just connect to the app. So what you do is you connect to it. It's nice and easy. And then you can also do that YouBiggy one and just wait for that to simply finish downloading and installing. Once you've completed at least 2 of these in this list, like I said, make sure to complete the instructions. They're always going to be free. All you then have to do is simply hit on the back button, and there your code is now revealed, and you can go ahead and use this on the Amazon website on all country Amazon. So no matter if you're US, Canada, Australia, France, UK, no matter where you guys are from, this is going to go ahead and work for you on every Amazon site, including the Black Friday deals coming up. So hope you guys enjoyed this little method on how to get huge discounts on Amazon. It's going to be working into 2026 as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one.